Hello everyone, and welcome to our Cosmic Classroom, and a special welcome to students and teachers at Hunter Elementary School. Using our special planetarium software, we will be virtually traveling to your school building so we can take a look up at the sky. As we let the sun set, we can start to see more and more stars. In particular, there are 3 very bright stars that we can see right over your school. They are Altair, Deneb, and Vega. What's special about these stars is that they make up an asterism, an unofficial constellation but a very recognizable shape in the sky. This is called the summer triangle. It is exactly what it's named for. We see these stars in the summer months, and you can connect them all to create a triangle. The constellations that contain these stars are Aquila the Eagle, Cygnus the Swan, and Lyra, which is a harp. And so as we are just at the beginning of the summer, we will be able to see these constellations in the sky for the next couple of months. Actually, the first official day of summer, according to the astronomical calendar, is this Saturday, June 20th. This is the summer solstice. There are 2 types of events that take place 4 times during the year, one during each season. We have the equinoxes in the fall and the spring, and the solstices, which happen in the summer and the winter. Both types of events have to do with the location of the Earth and its orbit around the Sun. During an equinox, there are equal amounts of day and night for a 24-hour period, which makes up a full day. A solstice is when the Sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky, and so those are then the longest or the shortest days of the year. The summer solstice is the longest day of the year, meaning it has the longest period of sunlight, and the Sun appears to be the highest in the sky. It marks the astronomical beginning of the summer season here in the Northern Hemisphere, even though your school has officially ended and has already marked the start of your summer vacation. During the summer solstice, the Sun reaches the highest and the most northern part of the sky. Since it reaches its most northern points in the sky for the rest of the year, up until the winter solstice, the Sun will appear to be moving back towards the other way now, which can be hard to tell from one day to another. But as we see here, when we have time moving very quickly, this motion is very clear. This change in the position of the Sun in the sky is due to the tilt of the Earth on its axis as it orbits around the Sun, where at the summer solstice the North Pole leans the most towards the Sun. The summer solstice takes place when the Earth reaches this specific part in its orbit, so it is not tied to one exact date, since one year does not perfectly have 365 days. So the summer solstice dates range from June 20th to the 22nd. And so this year it falls on the 20th at about 4:45 p.m. Since the Earth is tilted on its axis, we in the Northern Hemisphere are experiencing the longest day in the year. Meanwhile, the Southern Hemisphere will be experiencing its shortest day of the year. This also means that we are heading into summer, and the Southern Hemisphere is heading into their winter season. There are also some fun things that happen at the summer solstice. Since the Sun will be at the highest point in the sky on this day, this means that your shadow will be at its shortest. There is also the alignment of the Sun to Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a famous landmark in England, and while there are a lot of theories as to what its exact purpose was in history, it's generally thought to have been a prehistoric temple that was aligned with the movements of the Sun. And so on the summer solstice, the Sun rises between the avenue and above the heelstone each year. Another historical site that has an alignment with the Sun during the summer solstice is the pyramids at Giza. If you were standing directly in front of the Sphinx, you would see the Sun set precisely between the pyramids of Khafra and Khufu. To celebrate the beginning of summer, a lot of people will eat the first strawberries of the season. And so the full moon for the month of June is called the strawberry full moon, since it usually occurs when it is the perfect time to start picking them. And so with the summer solstice, the summer season will officially begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep looking up.